Oh, hey there, you guys. Welcome back to FreeTechTV. I thank you guys for tuning in here today for another exciting tech episode. Today, I got the Jabra Sport Pace Bluetooth headphones. So that's what we're going to be taking a look at today. If you're new to this channel, I'd like to welcome you. Make sure to subscribe, like this video. New tech videos coming out every week. And with that, let's get into it. These are some great headphones. We're going to compare them to some other Bluetooth headphones as well. And without further ado, let's dive on in. All right, you guys, we are back. FreeTechTV in the in-home studio. Thank you guys. So today, again, we're going to take a deep dive in these Jabra Sport Pace Bluetooth headphones. Great headphones. I recommend them. One thing we got to start off with, though, is the price. If you go to Jabra official website, you're going to see that these headphones are listed at $79.99, $80. Now, I don't recommend you guys spend $80 on these headphones at all. Rather, I got a little inside tip for you. If you go to eBay, you can find these headphones brand new for $29.99. That's 30 bucks all day long, brand new. If you're looking to get them used or open box, between 15 and 20 bucks. So I got these from eBay brand new for $29.99. I'm very happy with these purchase. So first we're going to take a look at them. So what we have is a very good design. Like, these are strong. I'm confident throwing these around in my backpack, going to the gym, wherever it may be, rain or shine. These headphones have lasted. I've been using these for about a year as my daily headphones. I also have the Power Beats 3, but why have I been using these as my daily headphones? Again, it's because they are so rugged. I'm very confident in them. They're not going to break or anything like that. But let's talk about the pros and cons of these Jabra Sport Pace headphones. Firstly, taking a look at the design, we can see very simple, right? Not much to them. So firstly, what we got, you're going to see you have this little control bar here. You got a microphone slot, and then you got 3 buttons here. You're going to have your volume rockers up and down. The middle button is going to act as a play and pause button, so that's convenient. And then when you have these headphones around your neck, you also have a button here. This button is going to access Google Assistant. Again, a very nifty feature there as well. So you can control a lot with that Google Assistant or ask a lot of questions, as you guys know already. So that's convenient. Now, let's talk about some of the cons of these headphones. Firstly, these headphones, the battery life, average, right? We're going to say they're certainly average. They're going to last you several hours, but outside of that, you're going to have to charge them. You use them for 3, 4, maybe 5, 6 hours, but certainly no more than that. However, they do support rapid charge, so that's certainly a positive. So you can charge these headphones for 15 minutes and get up to 60 minutes of use out of them. So that's awesome there. So the battery life is not really a problem because, again, with that rapid charge them up real quickly and you're good to go. Next up, they do support USB, micro USB there for charging. So you can certainly charge them. It's unfortunate that they don't have USB Type-C, maybe in the next pair. But outside of that, they are good. They are certainly light, and they are very comfortable. Another reason why these headphones have been my daily driver for a while is because, again, these headphones are branded. If you go to Jabra, they are branded for runners and gym and active use. And these are very comfortable to use. They stay in regardless how hard of a workout or running you're going. You're not going to have any problem with these Bluetooth headphones, as I have had with these Power Beats 3, and that's why I don't use these at the gym, because they just get loose. They don't stay in regardless of the tip sizes that you have on them. Next up, we see with these headphones that they are going to have a dedicated application. Jabra has an application which will give you on-demand pace guidance and some extra motivation there for your workout, which is awesome. So you can certainly check that out. Of course, the app is free, so you can download it when you purchase the headphones there. Now, the sound quality is certainly not going to match that of the Power Beats 3. However, the sound quality is pretty good. I would say it's certainly on par. Now, not thinking of headphones that are their price of $79.99, $80. From not thinking most of those headphones are going to sound certainly better than that at that price point. However, being that you can get these brand new all day long on eBay or other sources, the sound quality is certainly above average. I haven't had any issues with these. I use a lot of different headphones, but they're certainly on par. They're not going to be the greatest, but they're going to get the job done. No complaints there whatsoever. I really like them. and I certainly can recommend them if you're in the market for some Bluetooth headphones to go work out at the gym with. Yes, there is a big market with those. However, these I found just really good. Again, the build quality is there, the sound quality is decent, and the battery life is not a problem because with a rapid charge, you can charge them up like that, and you are good to go. But that's it, you guys. That has been a quick look at the Jabra Sport Pace Bluetooth headphones. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Subscribe. New tech videos coming out every week with you guys. Like this video. I appreciate your viewership, and I'll see you guys on the next video. As always, thanks for watching. This is FreeTechTV signing off. Peace.